Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys a script for Grow a Garden. It's pretty good, it works very well, but here we are. So we're going to use it today. I already have a garden. I'm going to show you guys some of the options right now. So we have auto collect, which is just an e-spam, so all we have to do is go and click on that. Now we can just walk around. As you guys can see, it just starts collecting everything super fast, which is pretty cool. As you guys can see, it is literally collecting everything. Like, it is way too fast in my opinion. Like, goddamn, that's very good. But there we go, as you guys can see, it's working. So we're just walking around literally everywhere. And we're literally getting everything. Yeah, we're max backpack already. What the heck? Unfortunately for this script, auto sell doesn't work at the moment. But it will be working soon, it doesn't really matter. How much did we get? God damn, we just got a lot, okay. As you guys can see, it is working, that's very good. We got player as well, we got walk speed, so we can just walk around and jump like this anyway. As you guys can see, like that. But yeah, it's pretty good. I've got the auto plant as well, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go here and just sell our inventory real quick, and he's going to say here is how much? 6k. So we have the plant on click as well. We have the auto sell, select fruits to sell as well. For extra, we have the quit script and then copy channel link. Growth, we can put the value of what we want to grow at. It just depends on the service protection, as you guys can see. We have the growth speed, and we can put the value up a tiny bit if you guys want to. But there we go, we can just turn on value. And there we go, just go much faster now, as you guys can see. It is going a lot faster, which is pretty nice. It just turns our game speed down quite a lot. So I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, it does work, as you guys can see just there. Yeah, we're just going to go around collecting all these plants because it's OP, it's very fast. Yeah, there we go, we just go and sell again. Pretty nice. I want to sell my inventory. And then we can go back to garden and we can go and select the fruit that we want to sell. So what's in stock? Let's see. Okay, let's get carrots. Why not? Why the heck not? Let's just get some carrots, and then let's go over here. And then let's go to here, and then let's do the plant on click, and let's do the select plant. We're going to do carrot because that's what I got. Where's carrot? There we go. And we can do plant at current position, as you guys can see, so we can plant it now. There we go. Just going to get the carrot seed out, and it's planting. And there we go, as you guys can see. It's pretty good. It's very nice. The auto collect is pretty OP. Like, it's way too fast, not gonna lie. But yeah, the script's pretty good just for the auto collect, which is pretty good. It is very OP, it works very well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash like, subscribe. See you guys in the